Blessed be, good evening, and welcome to another spiritual lecture. I am currently working on a book of short essays stroke chapters titled Reflections and Equations, and I'm trying to in each chapter unify unlikely bedfellows as coexisting each other. And tonight the chapter I'm going to read is Anatomy and Nature. Should one desire to walk the countryside at midnight, they are at minimal level complying of pagan ideals. Rivers flow, as does blood in an inner confine. Forces of nature test and prolong its existence. A hexagram is a six-pointed star. The two triangles represent the alchemical elements of fire and water. Twinned brings the axiom as above, so below. Fire and water aren't just elements of nature, they're components of the human personality. Fire being passion and water being restraint and sensitivity. Moon could be perceived as proof of heaven on earth. The moon diminishes and resurfaces in fragments and as a whole. Such is an occurrence in each person's life. When the moon is complete, there is a consensus of perfection and splendour within the universe. Being that I am an autumn baby, it may account for my restless intent. When I walk in the wind, I feel a blessing. The blessing is the silent word of restraint as the wind blows across my face. Namaste.